Hey, you guys, get ready to be blown away, like literally. This hair tool, total game changer. It's the Revlon One Step Dryer and Volumizer. And keep in mind that typically when it comes to like hair tools especially, or beauty products, things like that, I'm a little leery when I see them online or on Facebook because I'm like, sure it works for you. I'm challenged when it comes to doing my hair and makeup and things like that. I've never felt like I'm very good at it. So when I first heard about this last week, I thought, nah, it's not for me. One of my friends is a hairstylist and she's really talented. And so she was raving about this on Facebook and saying how great it was. And I thought, you know what? It's because you know how to use it, because she's talented and I'm not. And she just kind of laughed and she's like, no. She's like, you can do this. So I'm like, all right, I can do this. So I ordered the thing. It's sold out everywhere, but they do have the pink color and this teal kind of, I guess more turquoise color blue on Amazon. I will put the link in the comments. It will be attached to my affiliate link, so I will earn from purchases made through that link. But I really do like this thing, you guys. It's amazing. So a little background on me first. My hair's thick and coarse, has a weird like curl to it, not super curly, not super straight, just like a weird curl. Frizzy. It's not my favorite. I don't have great hair. And I had gotten used to that fact a while ago. But then I'd have to do a lot of work to get my hair to look okay. And then I had a shoulder injury in college that required a surgery. I've had another surgery since, and I am up for a total shoulder replacement that I keep putting off because once you get one, then I'll have to get another one in like 20 years. So who wants that, right? So I put it off. So like my shoulder, I can reach kind of like this. And if I stretch, I can kind of go like that, but it doesn't work like this, right? It's not a fluid motion. I can't really get back behind my head. So to round brush my hair is a major pain. I just can't do it. I can't hold a hairdryer and I can't spin a round brush because I can spin the round brush obviously, but I can't use that hairdryer and get it in the right position that I need it in. So when I do my hair, I typically just blow it straight down in sections, and then I use a hair straightener, right? This isn't hot, by the way. It's super cold right now because I don't need this anymore. And I'll go kind of like that, and it can get back behind here in my weird contortions of doing my hair with a bad shoulder. So that's what I would do, and my ends would just get fried. Very damaging, and they would have no volume. So I got tired of it. And when I heard about this, I was like, I'll try it. She swears by it. She says that it's amazing. She says it's a game changer. I'll try it. So you guys, I got it in the mail today. It is amazing, and it's the best hair tool ever. So I've already done part of my hair. Keep in mind, I did not blow dry my hair today. I let it air dry. You don't want it to be too wet. I'd say a little bit damp. So not just towel dried. You might want to just blow it dry a touch. Like, doesn't have to be completely dry, but not super wet. And then from there, you can use this thing in different sections. It is loud. It's, like I said, the Revlon One Step. dryer, and volumizer. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys. Sorry about that intro, but I figured you needed to know kind of where I'm at and why I can't use my shoulder to do a regular round brush. But even if you have a shoulder that's full functioning, this, just watch how easy it is. You're gonna want it. All right, so let me just show you. There's an off switch, the setting, there's the cool. You can see right here. That is cool air. Then there's a low. And then this is high. It's like loud. And it's hot. It comes out hot. This end, you can totally touch. It's not going to get hot. So you can use this to kind of spin. Alright, let me show you. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? How easy? And it just glides right through. So ready, what? And it looks shiny. You guys. Look at that. It has volume and it's straight. Look at this piece here. Yeah, it doesn't spin. You spin it so you have full control. So obviously, I was just going over the hair that I had already done just to kind of show you. But I'm going to show you a piece that hasn't been done yet. So if you can see, like my hair, yeah, it's been tied up, but it just kind of has a weird texture. It's just really thick hair. So let me show you what it does when I can do the rest in here. You can see it's kind of still a little bit wet. Let me find my switch here. Things are in my way. Okay. So it's a touch wet right now, but I think you could probably have it a little bit. I just dropped it. You could probably have it a little bit more, like less dry than I have it, and that's fine. Look at that, you guys. Let me get this back brush here. I love this product. Not a product, a tool. I love this tool. I mean, honestly, look at that. section here. All right, guys. It's that easy. Gotta turn this off. It is that easy, you guys. Check that out. It's got a shine to it. It's got more body than when I do the hair straightener. And it's straight, it's shiny. I like it. I'm not like really looking at the camera at you guys because I'm looking at my hair. Yes, it's amazing. It's so great. It's so easy to use. Like I said, first time using it for me. And I'm impressed. I feel like it's like when I get my hair round brushed at the hair salon. But I can do it at home. And I can do it with my bad shoulder. And it's awesome. Revlon. One Step dryer and volumizer. And again, I will put the link of where you can buy, and you're gonna want to get it. It's awesome. So great. Definitely a must-have. It'd make a great gift too. All right. Have fun, guys. Bye.